Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Maintenance Master title in Heartopia for the Ocean Cleanup event. So I'm just going to start it here. And basically what you'll need to do is you'll need to be the first one that uses the toolbox to fix your tool. So that's why I ran away there when it was close to the person trying to maintain their tool, because I need to get that title. So I'm just going to invite some people here that are in this server. And I'm just going to start, and then I'm going to take out my toolbox. So start now. You need to be the first one to put it out, so you will get the title. So I'm just going to use this, and then I'm going to start cleaning. And hopefully I will get this title. So I will see you after the event ends, because the event takes like a long time to end, like 5 minutes I think, or 4. So I forgot to record the end because I thought I didn't get it, because I got like cleaning pioneer, I believe. But apparently it added to that title as well. So I did get the like master maintenance title. So yeah, that's how you can get that title. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!